Class 12 students, today we are going to discuss elementary row transformation on an example. As you know, for elementary row transformation, we use the format A is equal to IA. Since we are today dealing with the matrix of order 3, so we will write matrix A of order 3, we will write I of order 3, and then this A will always be a constant. But this pattern follows in row transformation. So suppose if I have given a question 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 as a, and we need to find out the inverse of matrix A by using elementary row transformation. So we will write A equal to I, and then this A is fixed. Now stepwise we will proceed. First step will always be to convert A11 to 1. A11 means the first element to 1. So this should be done by either addition or subtraction of any two rows. Because we are dealing with row transformation, so we can take only rows. So I am taking R1 transform to R1 plus R2. And we got R1 plus R2 as R1 is transformed. Now it is 1 1 0. And then R2 same, R3 also same. In the same manner, we will go for the transformation on I also. So we get 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. R2 and R3 are not changed, and this A will always be fixed. Second step will be convert A to 1, A31 to 0 with the help of A11. This is very important. It should be with help of A11. This is very important. Now R2 transforms to R2 plus R1. See, I am using R1 to transform R2 to 0. R3 transforms to R3 minus R1. See, R2 transform to R2 plus R1, this will be 0. R3 minus R1, this will be 0. So these two observe. Now what we will do, we will apply these two transformations on the two matrices on both the sides. So we obtain a matrix here and we obtain a matrix here. In this way, what we noticed कि our first column is transformed. Right, first column is matched with the first column of the identity matrix. Now what we will do, we will come to the next step. Next step will be to make 1 in A22 position, means convert A22 to 1, but this will be done by addition preferably. So what we will notice कि we have here the element as 3. So this 3 will be converted to 1 by dividing by 3. So or we can write R2 tends to transforms to R2 divided by 3, or R2 transforms to 1 by 3 R2. So this way we are getting R2 changed. It will be 0, 1, minus 1 by 3, here 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 0, and then A. Now what we will do, this has been made 1. Now we will convert. With the help of this one, we will make two zeros in same step. Means we will make 0 at A12 position and we will make 0 at A32 position. So the next step is convert A12 and A32 to 0. So to convert A12 to 0, what we will do, we will say R1 transform to R1 minus R2. See, R1 minus R2 will give 0. R3 transform to R3 plus 2 R2. See, R3 plus 2 R2 will give this 0. This way we will apply the transformation on both sides. Then the next step will be convert A33 to 1. See, again the second column is transformed to, it matches with the second column of identity matrix. Now I need to start with 1 from the third column. So 1 from the third column means it is on A33 position. So we will convert A33 to 1 by multiplying. So multiplying what? Here R3 will be converted to 3 by 4 times R3. This will be converted to 1. Same operation will be applied on both sides. After that, after getting or after achieving this one, what we will do, our last step will be to make these two zeros. So it means we will convert A13 and A23 to 0. But this with the help of A33 position. Means R1 transform to minus 1 by 3 R3, R2 transform to R2 plus 1 by 3 R3, and then you will get your answer after applying this operation on both sides. And the answer that you will get will be this. So you will write A inverse equal to this. So what you notice, in this step we are obtaining identity matrix here, a new matrix here along with A. And you know one thing, if we have I equal to BA, it means it is very clear that B is inverse of A. Now the pattern that you should follow for order 3 matrix, the pattern should be as per CBSE curriculum. We will say, first of all we will make here 1. With the help of this one we will make the zeros in this step, in the second step. In the third step we will make 1 here. In fourth step we will make here 0 as well as here 0. In the fifth step we will make 1 here. In the sixth step we will make a 0 here and a 0 here. Means two zeros are made in a simultaneous, in same step. This is the pattern to be followed for elementary transformation of order 3.